Question 4. How did you integrate technologies, software, hardware, and online, in this project? In terms of my integration of software, I needed to use various Adobe programs, such as Photoshop CS6 and Premiere Pro. Photoshop, which I already have a variety of experience using due to AS Media, was easy to pick up again once I familiarized myself with how the software worked. For the creation of my Digipack and website, I edited a variety of images which I had taken, changing the background with the paintbrush tool in order to make them look more professional, and using the Spot Healing brush to smooth out skin texture, as well as a variety of other tools that Photoshop offers. For my major task, I used Adobe Premiere Pro in order to edit my music video. I had never used the software before, so it was difficult when I first began editing. However, as I got used to how the software worked, the editing process became smoother. I learned a variety of different editing techniques due to the tools that the software offered, such as the effects controls, which allow me to do a variety of things, such as zoom in and out, as well as rotate the videos that were slightly slanted. I was also able to use the Lumetri color effects in order to increase the brightness on certain video clips, which had poor lighting. Besides these effects, I also used the software to cut and edit clips together, using multiple layers in order to layer between establishing and close-up shots. Regarding hardware, in order to film my music video, I required a mix of equipment. For my photography for my minor tasks, I used a Canon EOS 1300D, which I had previous experience using for photography. It was also used to film my close-up shots for my music video. Additionally, for my establishing shots for the dancing and reacting scenes shown in my music video, I recorded on a Canon XA35, as it provided good quality for my stable long shots. I had no previous experience using this camera, but I quickly picked up the basics before and during the process of my filming. Tripods and a Flashpoint DSLR shoulder rig were also used in order for me to get steady shots that were not shaky, as I did not want that style of cinematography for my video. Lighting was by far the most complicated aspect I required for filming my performance shots in my music video, as I wanted multicolored flashing lights, which I was able to achieve through the use of 4 multiform lights and a Cobra Dimmer Master DMX controller, which allow me to change the color and time duration of the lights. This also allowed me to make the end of my music video look more bright and colorful. Other lighting used was the Drawcast lights, which I used for the photography for my minor tasks, as well as for a few shots for my music video, such as the shots of the band reacting to the dancing. I did this in order to highlight the band's faces so that the audience could see their clear reactions as they reacted to the different dances that were occurring. Then, for online technology, Weebly was used, as it is required to upload the creative process for the entirety of my A2 coursework. The site was used to demonstrate my research, pre-production, and production for my minor and major tasks, which involved uploading images as well as text about how I went about each process. YouTube was also used to upload my music video, but also to look at other music videos for my research, in order to get a sense of codes and conventions. Google was also used for my research, in order to allow me to find information for all my tasks in order to demonstrate my understanding of different conventions, which could then be demonstrated in my final product.